Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another unboxing and review video. Now today we're looking at the Saramonic SR-XM1Microphone. Now this thing's very small, as you will see once I get it out of the box. And I ordered this off eBay and they're around the $40 mark. And it came with a dead cat as well, or rat as we like to call it on this channel, which is also quite small. So let's get this unboxed and see if it will work for my GoPro Hero 7 vlogging setup. Now I've done a few videos on this, which I'll link down in the description box. And the last attempt at making this a smaller vlogging setup was a fail. I'll also link that video down in the description box. Now I've tried a variety of microphones on my GoPro vlogging setup and they've all got drawbacks. The main one being too big and not working. The Rode Video Micro is so far the best sounding microphone that I've used and the best functioning one. Myself, like many others, like using a GoPro for vlogging on occasion simply because it does not draw as much attention as a full-size DSLR camera does. However, when you do add a microphone to the top there, it does start again drawing a fair bit of attention because it sort of triples the size of this whole setup. So let's get this microphone unboxed and we'll give it a test run. Make sure you watch right till the end when I test out the microphone, just so you guys can get an idea if it's worthwhile spending the money on one of these. Let's get it out the box just so we can have a closer look at it. Okay, you've got the silica gel, you've got a warranty card that you can complete with some conditions and policies on the back. And here's what we're all interested in and what we're here for, the actual microphone. Okay, it's very, very small, as you can see. And you can flex it in various directions. And the actual head of the microphone seems to be rubber mounted. It's got some flexible rubber strips right there that suspend the microphone, and that is to reduce any induction noise and handling noise. Even though I do suspect you will still get some induction and handling noise using this microphone, but it should be a lot better than when you're not using it. So it looks really nice. I love the size of it. I love how compact it is. And it does come with a foam filter there. There you go. Still makes it very small. Now I ordered this off eBay and it does come with a small dead cat. So this is not too big compared to the Rode Video Micro one, and this should not draw too much attention even using this with the microphone and my GoPro. So let's fit that up and see what it looks like. Here we go, job done, fits nicely, and it's still fairly small. Let's grab the GoPro and see what it looks like. There's the GoPro. And it just plugs into the microphone jack there, and that is a lot better. Okay, this dead cat will not interfere with anything that the lens does, so it will not show up in any of your footage, and hopefully this will sound really good. That's quite a nice compact setup. That is much more compact and much neater than anything I've had before. This is probably the best setup that I've seen so far. Let's hope it sounds as good as it looks. Let's go outside and see how she goes. Okay, here's the GoPro Hero 7 without the microphone. The microphone's here, and I'm just wondering if you can hear that wind noise in the camera footage that is playing back on your computer now. Let's put the microphone on with the dead cat and see if it stops the wind noise. I'll do it from here. Okay, here we go. We've now got the microphone with the dead cat. I'm wondering if we can hear any wind noise now, because if we can't hear any wind noise now, I'll be very, very happy with my purchase of this microphone. Because the main problem is all the wind noise and extra noise that the original microphone picks up when you're trying to vlog outdoors. There you go. Here we are, we're outside now, and we're using the GoPro Hero 7 without a microphone, because I've got the microphone here. So let's fit this microphone and see if it sounds any better. Here's the GoPro Hero 7 fitted with the Saramonic microphone. There's a little bit of a breeze going on, and we've got the dead cat or the rat on there, so hopefully we won't be getting any wind noise at all. And it will be interesting to see how much of the background noise, the wind, the birds, etc., my footsteps on the grass, this microphone's actually picking up. Could be some birds there that you might have heard then. So hopefully this microphone will sound better than no microphone. And there's quite a bit of wind coming across now, so hopefully if we're not getting any wind noise right now, I'll be very, very happy. There you go. Now if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the GoPro, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.